Lordship, I am plaintiff. I filed a suit for declaration injunction. I'll also file an application under Order 39 Rule 1 and 2, and also an application for ex parte ad interim application under Order 39 Rule 3 read with 151, Lordship. That application that they may not alienate the property in question. That is rejected, Lordship. There was a likelihood of
39(3) की application कब reject हुई?
Lordship. On 26/10/2024.
उसके बाद कब सर्विस की आपने 39?
No, Lordship, the defendants were already appearing.
They were already appearing.
Already.
The petitioner's only grievances that by order dated
only against 1 and 2.
10/2024, the net second civil judge junior division, block Nagaon, district Chhatarpur, in RCS A/63/24, rejected an application under Order 23 Rule 3 read with Section 151 CPC. Full stop. It is submitted that since defendants were already appearing,
1 and 2, Lordship. Defendant 1 and 2.
तो कितने?
Only उन्हीं के 3 थे, उन्हीं के खिलाफ मांगा था, 1 and 2 के खिलाफ. They were appearing.
क्या लिखा? Since defendant number 1 and 2 were already appearing, against whom injunction was sought, trial court was obliged to decide application under Order 39 Rule 1 and 2 expeditiously. Full stop.
Ad interim, Lordship. Ad interim has been rejected, Lordship. 39
बात उसके लिए ढूंढना लगती है.
But Lordship, I have challenged that order.
ठीक है, किया होगा आप.
So I am just requesting that, Lord.
I'll say that they decide 39(1)(2) within 3 days. Nothing more than
so,
that.
But I'm Lordship, they have rejected my application for restraining to alienate the property in question.
ठीक है, तो 39(1)(2) होगा ना. 39(3) ex parte होता है. Ex parte मना कर दिया. उसका natural consequence ये रहता है कि 1 and 2 decide किया जाए.
No, ऐसा नहीं किया, Lordship. They have decided it on merits, Lordship. That I am not entitled to.
1 and 2 merit पे decide 39(1)(2) decide हुई कि आपकी.
39(1)(2) नहीं. But Lordship.
Wait करिए, please. क्या हुआ? Rule 1 and 2. Expeditiously. Full stop. Now Shri Saket, next paragraph. Now Shri Saket Agrawal submits that he is challenging the order dated 26/10/24, whereby a request for ex parte injunction was refused. Full stop. Next paragraph. After hearing Shri Saket Agrawal, this court is of the opinion that once court refused to grant ex parte injunction, then it was obliged to hear application under Order 39 Rule 1 and 2 expeditiously. Full stop. If the contentions of Shri Saket Agrawal are believed to be correct, that contesting defendants were already appearing before the trial court.
1 and 2, Lordship.
Contesting लिख तो दिया.
Lordship, contesting 3 भी है, but 1 and 2, Lordship.
तो सर्विस तो आपको तीनों को करानी पड़ेगी.
हम खाली 1 and 2 के खिलाफ मांग रहे हैं. उन्होंने जवाब भी
लिखा दिया, ऊपर लिखा दिया. बीच-बीच में इंटरप्ट मत करिए. बीच-बीच में इंटरप्ट मत करिए. वो ऊपर लिखा चुके हैं. क्या हुआ? So trial court, therefore, trial court is requested to hear and decide the application on its under Order 39 Rule 1 and 2 on its own merits within 3 days of receipt of certified copy of the order being passed today.
Lordship, I'm praying they may not alienate the property in question because the Honorable Supreme Court
will not take away the right of the trial court. Let them decide. अगर 39(1)(2) अपने खिलाफ decide करते हैं, आप आ जाइएगा.
Status of the property deserves to be protected till the.
चलिएगा. Trial court should understand that once they reject the application, then immediately on service of notices to the defendants, they were obliged to decide the application under Order 39 Rule 1 and 2.
Lordship, but I am suffering. They have rejected my interim. They may not alienate the property, Lordship. Only the limited.
इसका सिद्धांत लागू होगा वकील साहब, आपको भी मालूम.
But Lordship, the status of the property deserves to be protected.